Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to turn off the computer. So what you do is that you go down here. So we click on this button and then you see my name, Alexander Björkvik. And on the opposite end, you will see this power icon. So you click on the power icon and then you get various options. You get sleep. So when you put it in sleep, the PC stays on, but it will use low power. So the apps will stay open. So when you wake up the computer, you can just continue where you left off. Below that, you have Shutdown, and that does exactly what it sounds like. It closes all apps and it turns off the computer. Something you might experience when you click on Shutdown is that it doesn't shut down. You might get a bit of a message that, okay, you have these applications up and you haven't saved your progress, and so you basically have like an opportunity to make any necessary changes before you shut down the computer. So unless you have something that you want to keep, and save, then you can just tell the computer to shut down regardless. So yeah, the primary thing that I where I will stop a shutdown is when I have like a Word document where I have some content I haven't saved. You might experience that there is like maybe an app that you use, and then you get the message that it is preventing shutdown. In most cases, you will just be able to shut down nonetheless. So you can sort of like force the shutdown. The only situations where you shouldn't do that is if you get a message about a program that you don't know what is. In those cases, like maybe if it could be like some program updating or something like that, I would recommend to just Google to find out, okay, what is this program? You could also, of course, ask ChatGPT. But yeah, shutting down the computer, I do it every single day. It's not something to be concerned about. On the other hand, it's actually is recommended that you do shut down the computer every now and then, because if you have the computer running and then you only close the lid on the laptop every now and then it doesn't sort of get that refresh. And there's a lot of bugs and issues that a computer can develop if it stays on for way too long. So if the computer stays on without a shutdown from day after day after day after day, that can actually be something that causes issues. Restart is it's similar to shutdown, so it will turn off the computer, but it will restart right after that. Like if you do a Windows update, then you will get a message that you need to restart the computer. If you update other programs, you will also get this message that you need to restart the computer. Also, if you uninstall certain programs, you will get the message that in order to fully uninstall and remove the program, you need to restart the computer. And yeah, you just have to do that. I think the most important thing about these settings here, these options, is that you shouldn't be worried about them. So the only sort of one that people might be a bit confused by is sleep, because sleep is not the same as shutting down. When us humans, right, go to sleep, that is our way of sort of getting a bit of a refresh. But that isn't actually what happens if you click on sleep on a computer. Um, so to really put your computer to sleep, for it to have a good night's rest, you actually need to shut down the computer. If there's anything specific related to this that you would like me to make another video about, then feel free to contact me. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video.